install Google Play Store on PC and play Android games on Windows 11 or 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can install Google Play Store and play Android games. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in www.play.google.com/googleplaygames. This is going to take you to the web page of Google Play Games, and here you need to click on download beta, which is right over here. So as soon as you've done that, the installation you can see right on top, just tap on it or locate the location, click on yes button, and it may take some time in order to install it, so you'll have to wait patiently until it is completely installed. After you're done installing the application, now you'll need to sign in with your Google, and after that select the account. You'll be able to see all of the Android games on your Google Play Store, and then you can play. With this, you also have the feature of using your mouse as well as a keyboard. And that is basically how you can install Google Play Store on your PC and play Android games. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.